Go to the filters menu and down to colours and then vignette. Weirdly, the vignette doesn't appear until you change one of the slider settings. I think that's a bug. However, you can only reduce it down to -4 or go the other way to 4. And you can see when you got to 4, you can still see around the edge. I want it completely black. Click apply. Well, how to do that? You can go to filters and repeat vignette. And you can apply it 3 or 4 times and then you can see you've actually got rid completely of that. All the other filters can also be repeated again. So if you want to, go to filters and maybe distort and twirl and apply effect like that. You can see the effect there, you can apply it. Now the settings there, all the settings there, click apply. If you go to filters, repeat twirl will be used exactly the same. So it will be an even more extreme twirl. And of course you can apply it very quickly. And you'll notice there's also a shortcut, Command F or Control F, just to quickly apply it. Create all kinds of wonderful designs, very intense designs using the repeat feature. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.